Hi and welcome back to Stitching with the Joneses. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Cherry Heat Top, a beginner friendly crochet top that's quick, easy, and works up fast using basic stitches. I use a 4.5mm hook and a weight for worsted weight yarn. It's made to measure, so start by taking a measurement around the largest part of your bust, then chain the closest multiple of 9 plus 8 chains. For reference, I did 99 for my top. It's a row repeat, making it easy to customize and length. And let's jump into it and have fun making our top. I'll meet you when we get there. To begin, you're going to chain your multiple of 9 plus 8. For row 1, we are going to double crochet in the 4th chain from our hook. And then we are going to double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Here we go. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets. Then we're going to chain 2, skip 2, and place 1 double crochet in that next stitch. Then we're going to chain 2, skip 2, and double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So that will be our repeat, which is going to be chain 2, skip 2, double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet in the next 4 stitches. I will pop that up and meet you at the next row. All right, row 2, we're going to chain 3. We're going to turn our work. We're going to double crochet in the next 4 double crochets. And then we're going to chain 2 and double crochet over that next double crochet. That one we did in the previous row. Chain 2, double crochet in next 4 double crochets. So basically what we're doing is doing exactly what we did before. So if there's a double crochet, we're going to be double crocheting over it. And if there's chains, we're doing those chain 2. I will pop up the instructions for row 2 for you. This is the beginning of the repeat rows, just so you can keep note of that. We are on to row 3. We're going to chain 5. We're going to turn our work, and we're going to make a double crochet between the 3rd and 4th double crochet of that 4 DC group that we did on the previous row. Then we're going to chain 2 and put 2 double crochets in the next chain 2 space, 2 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. Then we're going to chain 2, double crochet in between the middle of the 2nd double crochet and the 3rd double crochet of the next DC group. And we're going to repeat that across. I will pop up the instructions for you and meet you for our next row, which is row 4. Row 4, we're going to begin with a chain 5 again and turn your work. We're going to double crochet in the next double crochet. So here we go. And then we're going to chain 2, double crochet in the next 4 double crochets. Chain 2, double crochet in the next double crochet. And we're just going to repeat that across. So I will pop that up and meet you back for our next row. For row 5 and the final row of our repeat, we're going to chain 3. We're going to turn. We're going to put 2 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. 2 double crochets in the next chain 2 space, chain 2 and double crochet in between the second and third double crochet of your next 4 double crochet group, chain 2, and we're going to keep repeating that all the way down. I will pop that up. You're going to just keep repeating rows 2 through 5 for your length, and I will meet you back. Now that we've reached the desired length, we are going to fold our work in half and slip stitch up. Don't fasten off, because once we get to the other end, we're gonna place a single crochet around the whole top. So I will meet you back there and let you know what we do next. All right, so now we are going to chain 3, and we are going to place double crochets in each of those single crochets, and I will meet you back. We're going to slip stitch together at the end, by the way. All right, now we're going to chain 1 and we're going to single crochet around again. So I will meet you back. Have fun crocheting around. Alrighty, we're going to chain up 3 and we are going to do another round of double crochets. Double crochet around, and I will meet you back. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my last row. I am just going to place single crochets around, and then I'm going to get ready to do my straps. I also will add a little slide, read that, because it'll make the straps easier. But you can do all different types of straps if you want. That's why I love crocheting. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for being here. I will fast forward this and I'll meet you back. All right, so I placed my stitch markers 5 stitches apart because that's how wide I want mine to be. And I am attaching my yarn now. I am going to chain up 3, and I am just going to double crochet across to the next stitch marker. And then I'm going to chain 3, turn my work, and double crochet. It's just double crochet, 5 stitches. I'm going to get the length I want. And then I am going to slip stitch it to the other side of my top, the corresponding stitches, which I have stitch markers there as well. I tried on my top and then I put on my stitch markers. I suggest you do the same. And then we just single crochet around the armholes and the neck hole if you want to do that now. Or you can do it at the end. We have to do our decorative edging after this. So I'll meet you back. Make 2 straps, of course. So if you're annoyed of my voice or just don't want to listen to it and like reading patterns better, take a screenshot of what I just had listed for you. We are doing the decorative edging, which is basically going to be chain 5, skip 5 stitches, single crochet, chain 5, skip 5. We're going to do that for our first round. Then we're going to slip stitch it together. We're going to slip stitch into the chain 5 space. We're going to create 8 double crochets in that chain 5 space. Then we're going to place a single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Then we're going to put 8 double crochets in the next chain 5 space and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Slip stitch together and we're done. Do all of your single crochet edgings, borders if you want to make it a little neater, tidy it up like I do. And thank you so much. I hope you had fun making this. Let me know what you guys like, what you want. I love doing this. I will try to make anything. let me know. Bye.